Namaste. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. We are here with something very beautiful and something that you've all been waiting for a very long time. These are Ajrak applique work kurtis. So we've got new colors this time as well. A lot of you had been messaging us ever since we launched them for the first time in March. We thought we'll get them by June, then we thought we'll get them by July, but it took too long because of the rains that have been going on. So here we are. I'll quickly show you all the 5-6 colors that we've got, so at least you'll get an idea of what all colors we have. But we have a lot of designs that are already up on the website, so do check them out and you can purchase them right away. So the first color that there is indigo. We've received beautiful response over the kurtis from our clients from the last time as well. So see, this is how it looks. You've got booty on the front. This is all hand applique done in Barmer. The Ajrak is actually from Bhuj Ajrakpur and not the Barmer Ajrak. You've got applique all around in panels. Back panel is this. If you can hear my baby, then yes, that's him. Here you go. So this is indigo. Then you got green. We've tried to recreate some designs from last time as well, because last time we had such limited pieces, not all of you could grab your hands on it. So here, this is green. You've got beautiful bootas along with the applique. Then the jal at the back. Absolutely stunning pieces. Then you got this beautiful yellow as well. Last time we didn't have yellow and we really missed it because yellow is an absolutely stunning color in any of the Ajraks. This booty is also something we love. Here, this is how it will go. You got the center panel as the applique and the jal for the back. Then you got cream. Cream was also a sellout last time. Let's see. In this one, you got applique on either side and the booty in the center. And beautiful jal again. Black, another sellout. To be fair, all of them were sellouts. We didn't have enough pieces last time and they took so long to make, because eventually you have to first get the applique kurtis made, then you can do the block printing on them with Ajrak. So here you go with black. Again, one of my most favorite booties. It's so dainty. I love it. Then back jal. So the applique is only on the front side. The back side doesn't have applique on it. Again, a very favorite booty we've got. Classic lotus. See, for all sleeves, you'll always have an applique border as well. So it all depends on your tailor as to how they stitch it. You can also get these stitched from us as well. We'd be happy to stitch them for you. These will be up on the website. They're already up on the website actually, and you can grab them from there. They're all 1850 in cost, and yeah, we've got many designs, and this time we've got multiples as well. So do let us know which one's your favorite, and we really do hope you love them. Thank you.